Good evening, crypto miners. Good evening, everyone tuning in to this space here today. We have an AMA with Stylike. I think you say Stylike. We have someone here from Stylike. Maybe they can correct me if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Miss Alvan, are you here?
Hello. Yes, I'm here. Thanks for having me.
Hello. Hi. Welcome to Crypto Miners.
Thank you so much. Thanks for
How do
having
you
me.
say how do you say the name? Stylike?
Yes, it's correct.
Ah, perfect. That's great. All right, guys. So my name is Mary, and I will be the host today. And also, I'd like to point out that we give information and education about the projects we host here. So no financial advice whatsoever, and you should always do your own research, guys. So remember that. So by that said, welcome, Miss Alvan, and welcome everyone from Stylike to Crypto Miners. It's a pleasure to have you here today. We will start with you, Miss Alvan, a little bit. Maybe you can tell us about yourself, who you are to the project, and also maybe just a short story about how you joined the crypto world, crypto space.
Sure, of course. So, as you all know, my name is Elvan. I'm the head marketing manager of Stylike project, and we started this project about 6 months ago. And since then, we have come so far, and we had a lot of challenges, and we struggled. We struggled with so many some problems in the way, but we could be able to handle them. And right now we are at a stage that we can say like we're going to have a bright future in this crypto world, as we are one of the first kind of these Web3 applications to came out with this idea of dress to earn. So, as you know, Stylike is a Web3 fashion app that claims we are aiming to reward people who care about being having a good sense of a style and being a good fashionista. So right now at this point, I can say we are doing very well in this journey, and we have a really clear roadmap. And yeah, so right now I'm going to introduce my colleague, uh, Mr. Mike. Could you please introduce yourself and follow my lead?
Absolutely. Can you hear me, everyone?
We hear you fine, yes.
Perfect.
Welcome.
Thank you so much for having us. My name is Mike. I'm the CMO of the project, and I'm very glad to be with you all to talk about this incredible project and also, take some questions. But I mostly want to take a conversational approach here in order to dive deeper into what we're doing, our future plans. The basic information, I believe most of the people who are here are already familiar with our project. If not, they can simply go to stylike.io, read our white paper, read our the description on the website, and get familiar with the basic stuff. But I hope to be able to dive deeper into what we have for the upcoming future.
All right. So we will try to dive as deep as we can, but I think still there might be people here who doesn't really know about Stylike. So maybe
Absolutely.
we should do a short introduction first
Sure.
about the product, what it is about. And you said, Elvan, dress to earn. That's interesting. Maybe you can also tell us more about that.
Absolutely. So we, of course, fall under the category of activity to earn platforms. Dress to earn is more of a subcategory because we're a photography website, basically. How we operate is that our users take pictures of their everyday life, everyday fashion, everyday lifestyle, basically, and through sharing those photos via our platform and the NFT system that we have built, they can turn that fun activity into an earning activity, basically. So it's an activity to earn platform. The subcategory would be dress to earn platform. but that's the whole idea. So we're trying to expand on this platform and introduce new features, which I will, of course, explain further into our conversation. But basically, we have 8 categories of NFTs that our users can purchase. They all, of course, have different characteristics, different basically capabilities, and different earning potential. And through those, they can start their work and their journey on the website. They basically act as a key to enter our website and to be able to participate in daily competitions. However, in order to provide the people with the chance to try the website without even purchasing an NFT, we do offer something we call a ghost NFT, which is like a free NFT that allows them to experience the website and its functionality fully without paying anything, and they can even earn with that NFT. And once they, get a hold of everything, then they can purchase NFTs in order to get more advanced and further earn more money.
No commenting.
Alpha, please mute yourself. Alpha, we can hear you.
Also,
Sorry
I would
about
like
that.
to, yeah. Also, I would like to mention that we do all this happens on the app, so the activities do not directly happen on the website. So the users need to download the app on both platforms, Android and iOS, and that's how they can operate and use the features of Stylike.
Cool. So you don't really have to be rich to start this or have
No,
lots
no,
of
no,
nice
absolutely not.
clothes. You can start from nothing and borrow an NFT that you need for
Exactly,
doing certain things.
exactly.
Oh,
And they
that's
can
good.
even start earning the tokens, our in-app token,
With that NFT.
without an NFT. Yes, yes, yes. But further on, of course, in order to enable, or we can say, in order to cross that barrier of earning more, of course, there would come in a stage where you would actually like yourself to, buy an NFT and expand on your activities. But to start off, you don't need to invest anything.
You can try. You can it's like you can buy the car and test drive it first, or no, I
Exactly.
mean test drive it before you
Test
buy. I
drive it,
mean,
yeah, without buying it. But I
yeah,
mean, you
that's
would
good.
actually experience the whole thing, and it's not
Mm.
a limited thing. So it gives you access basically to do everything.
So how long can I borrow it then before I have to buy one?
So you do earn as usual, as per like the other people are with their NFTs. Of course, the earning threshold is much lower than, of course, the other platforms, but other NFTs. But of course, you are earning nonetheless. But there would come a time that you need to withdraw your fundings, in which time you would need an NFT. But for 20 days, you could try our Ghost NFT, and whatever you earn is yours.
Oh, I mean, I earn, but I can't really take those earnings out before I buy a real NFT, right?
But those are yours anyways. You are earning real tokens, in-app tokens, which are valuable. So it's up to you, and you have 20 days to decide. So
Yeah, that's good.
that's kind of a trial period. I mean, we're not forcing anyone, of course. That's how we make the platform interesting. It's up to you to see if you really can get connected to this platform and enjoy it, and if it's even worth it.
It's the same as money back guarantee, but without money now. So
Yeah,
I
yeah,
like the idea. That's good. Yeah. So it's for everyone actually to start. You
exactly.
don't
Yes,
have to
yes.
have one BNB to buy. How much is one real NFT then? How much does it
So
cost?
we do have, actually, since we were listed on OpenSea, we had some discounts going also. But if the NFTs are purchased directly from our own marketplace, I believe we have NFTs below 1 BNB going up to above like around 6 BNB. But you need less than about like 0.7 BNB to,
That's
purchase
the
our
lowest. Okay.
cheapest. Yeah.
And how much can I expect to earn then if I buy an NFT? I mean, I do have to do certain things, right, to earn,
Hmm.
or is it enough to have the NFT and buy some tokens and then I can earn? Or do I have to do?
Actually, an NFT is all you need because it would give you the
The
ability to no, not the token, but the ability to take part in the daily competitions. And once you do that and you start uploading your pictures, basically the range would be something like $5 to $50 per day, depending on what kind of NFT you've bought, and of course depending on the photo that you've uploaded. Obviously, the photo that
that's a
takes
lot.
that takes a lot, like a higher level of creativity, a higher level of let's say how do I put it? So basically, imagine you and I are together, we're users. So I take a simple picture without any effort, but the more effort you put into it, the more creativity you put into your picture, the more your outcome would be. So our pictures that are uploaded into the app first are gone through the system. So we make sure that they're not copied pictures from the internet. So we make sure of that. And then we do have a manual checking process as well, where our operators check the photos, and we do have a kind of a team of juries that would rate the pictures, and we have winners every day. So the competitions that we have every day, we have a leaderboard at the end of the day that determine who has the highest point and who had like not the because there are a lot of participants, you can't see who had the maybe the least point, but you could obviously see the people that earned the highest point that day.
So those people who earn the highest point, I mean, you have to show your face also, or can you be hidden, or?
No. So we do have daily tasks every day, and you can choose among those tasks. You can decide to only participate in one task. You can, participate in more than one task. It depends on you, but each task requires something unique from you. Like, it would ask you to, I don't know, upload a mirror selfie, or upload the latest picture that you took in the nature. So we do have these descriptive, creative tasks every day that kind of push people to show a creative side, and we're encouraging creativity because that's how you would earn more, not just by uploading mundane pictures without putting into any effort into what you're doing. So that's how you create value in what you're doing.
And who is rating these pictures then?
We have an internal jury, actually, and I'm proud to say that many of those who are looking at these have majored in photography and are photographers themselves. So we have this vibrant team, internal team that we've put together. It's a fun process. It's a really fun process, and the outcome has been really decent so far, because we've seen the pictures that like the creative ones, we can differentiate the ones that have been put in a lot of effort, and those who have just it's just they're doing it just to test out the system. It really shows. And you should remember that we are in partnership with Fashion TV, so we have people over from we have collaboration in terms of our jury from those people as well.
So you mentioned like a mirror selfie or in the nature, but what is it's fashion. You should
Of course.
Most of the tasks are like dress in certain kind of clothes, or what?
You see, we have kind of so basically fashion is the our priority in the pictures, in the tasks that we define. We do have extra tasks that deviate a bit from the fashion point, just because we want to give people the opportunity to be able to upload pictures in different areas and in different categories. Fashion always stays the central theme, but like, let's take an example of a mirror selfie. The way you dress yourself, the way you present yourself as fashionable, definitely plays a role in the score that you get and the amount of tokens that you are awarded at the end of the day.
And is there also an option for people who maybe are not like keen on being on camera? I mean, taking pictures of themselves or
You don't
dogs
have to show your
themselves.
face, of course. It could be below the chin. We don't force people to. We do, of course, take privacy very seriously. So we try to keep people in their comfort zone while also pushing them to be creative. We do not want anyone to be, But if we like go into this NFT thing of all, I don't know if you have any further questions, but I just want to go on the things that I wanted
Yeah,
to.
I have many questions. I
Okay.
wanted to ask also, is there like a platform where all these pictures are uploaded so people can like rate or vote on them also, like the
That's
users can?
actually
Or?
that's actually something that is being implemented right now. So that is the
Okay.
social
Yeah.
aspect of the website that we're working on. I can get into it further shortly if you
All
want me
right.
to.
Sure. Let's move on with the NFTs that you wanted to talk about. That's
Okay.
also interesting.
So basically, what we've done quite well in terms of our NFT sales. So in our app, the central thing that we're using in order to act as a key are our NFTs. But let me give you a rundown on what's going on with our project and our application. Right now, you're seeing a tiny piece of the puzzle, but there are so much more in store for the future. Basically, our ultimate goal is to create a project that has a lot of practical uses and benefits for people, and is basically a utility-based project. As most of the people here already know, I believe, in Web3 projects, utility refers to the practical and useful functions that the project can provide to its users beyond just being a digital collectible. So yeah, a digital collectible that gains value over time. It's a cool thing, but that's not the only thing we're aiming at. So it's the ways that the project can provide something extra, valuable services, or create new opportunities. The idea that we have is to make Stylike NFTs more than just a speculative asset, but rather a functional tool that can have a real impact. And so when I say utility base, I mean that we want to focus on the ways that our project can actually keep offering new features every few months that are made possible through the NFTs that we are offering. So what did we do?
That was unfortunate. We were talking about NFTs and suddenly everything shut down. Elon Musk, I blame you.
I mean, that's the thing with technology.
Yeah, I guess.
Unpredictable.
We are back. So,
yes, let me see if I can
maybe you
start
should
where I left
start
off.
over with NFTs otherwise.
So yeah, I just quickly went over how we are a utility-based application, and NFTs are a central part of what we're doing, but they basically are there to provide utility to us. So what did we do first? We started off our application where, as we talked, we allow users to take pictures of their everyday life, everyday fashion, everyday lifestyle, and actually earn money through practicing a fun activity. So we're a activity to earn application, basically. We were very successful with offering a sustainable solution in this regard, where the project can actually be relied on for many years rather than a short-lived project. We have implemented anti-Ponzi like schemes, and also, as mentioned before, having Fashion TV as our partner and being backed by them certainly adds a whole bunch to the credibility and power of Stylike. The second big step, as you mentioned, actually, we were talking about it, about having these pictures somewhere so people can see, is implementing and having a fully operational social aspect of Stylike. So we will be seeing a social file also unfolded within our application where everyone, whether ordinary users or professional photographers, can find Stylike some sort of a hub for socializing and sharing their photos. And of course, we shouldn't forget that all of these are monetized actions, meaning they're earning as well while they're socializing, while they're practicing their art and having fun. The third utility, which we're also working on, and it's kind of a big announcement as well, is that Stylike is moving towards implementing AI features into its platform and application. We're actually in talks with a major player in the artificial intelligence arena. I don't want to drop names at this moment, as I'm sure official announcements will be made soon. But we're going to be working with a very well-known AI company in order to allow users to create their own NFTs and art pieces through AI technology, and then right after that, mint them on the spot and use them in several upcoming scenarios, which again, details will be rolling out pretty soon. Again, this is very new, so more details will be coming, but we're very, very excited about what's about to come. It's a huge part of Stylike, and
so you will basically be offering a platform for people who want to start their own NFT projects.
Yes, but through implementing AI also. So that's that's something that I think is being done, at least in this scale, for the first time, and mixing all these in one application or one platform is a very exciting thing for us. Things are unrolling little by little, but we are making sure that announcements are coming out in time. So that's why I'm not giving away too many details here, but stay tuned.
Oh, can we have a secret?
That was a secret. That was a secret. We are actually, we are in talks with a major player, so I'm sure everyone will be, will be excited to hear more. That's it. And something else that I wanted to talk about. So we went over the ghost mode, so everyone knows that they can start for free. There's no risk involved. So just give it a try. Have some fun. You have nothing to lose, obviously. And we have a very vibrant user base so far on Discord and on Telegram, on our social channels. So I'm very glad to say that our team is working around the clock to apply these new features and changes, because there are a lot, and they're really working around the clock. And I'm proud to say that we're all excited to be rolling out these features one by one. And
so a question that comes to mind is, where does the money come from that you give out for these pictures, for the most creative? How do you get them in? Is there a tokenomics tax on buy and sell tax, or where does the money come in?
Absolutely. So unfortunately, like this past bear market pretty much halted a lot of activities and a lot of projects, and it also affected us, but we went on strongly. I'm happy to say that we have a strong capital, how we even started the project. As you might know, or you might not know, we did not even have a pre-sale, so we did not actually need public funding to start the project.
So when did it start again? Was it last year, you said?
Yeah. It's been less than a year. Yeah. So we, due to the high capital that we injected into the project and our, of course, strong partnership with fashiontv, we started off strong, and we started right by going live. So we released a well-functioning application, and I'm proud to say that, again, we have an amazing technical team that are always adding new features and fixing bugs and going forward. But through selling NFTs, we are getting the capital that we are needing. I mean, it's a circle, it rolls around. We do have the tax on the tokens. We have a 2% and 3% tax, buy and sell tax on our token, our governance token. And then we are in works to get sponsorships, as we cannot rely on that first capital, of course, forever. So there is that first and initial and major investment that we have put in the project. And in order to sustain it and to be profitable in the long run, we are doing all these things, and we are in talks to get more sponsorships. We're going to do ads pretty soon in our application and throughout our platforms. Just like YouTube, that, there we are I can call us pretty much a freemium service to an extent, because we're trying to keep it sustainable through things that do not put extra costs and extra pressure on the users. So of course they're going to purchase NFTs, they're going to purchase our tokens, but they are valuables, they are collectibles, and they do give us the profit we need, but they're not going to be enough, obviously. So we do need these sponsorships that are coming. We do need the ads that will be implemented. And of course, we're also in talks with a lot of KOLs and fashion figures that are active in this arena. So they're going to give us a bigger user base, hopefully, in the near future also.
So when you have your platform up, then will you maybe have also like famous people or models up there to have an account, you know, and show people maybe
Right.
recommended?
That's what I just mentioned, actually. We are in talk with key opinion leaders and fashion models and people that are, you know, opinion leaders in the area of fashion or in the area of photography. And we're happy to cooperate with those, which will of course give us the benefits that we need and give us the platform, give them the platform to kind of, you know, shine. But we're gonna be able to use their user base as well.
So do you have to take picture of yourself, or can you have some friends that you take picture of, maybe that want to be, I don't know, models or yeah.
Come again? I didn't get it.
If you have to take pictures of yourself, or if you can have different kind of people in different pictures, you know.
Actually, no, we do have different kind of tasks on the website. As I said, you could even take pictures of objects, like fashion
Okay.
objects or everyday objects. So it's not about people.
All right, cool. I
Yeah.
mean, sorry. If there is also like chances later on maybe to make NFTs out of the best pictures, you know,
Mm-hmm.
that could be something for you. It's
That's
an
a nice
idea.
that's a nice idea. Why don't you get in touch? Submit it through our contact us form. No,
Yeah.
but seriously, we of course look forward to all the suggestions, and we have things in mind that we are not rolling out in the moment, but big plans are coming. A few of them I mentioned, but there are other stuff that we're hopefully gonna announce soon as the time comes.
So how has the response been so far among people? Are there most young people who wants to do this, or among all ages, or photographs?
Um, so I mean, that's not. I don't want to get into the statistics because, like, that would take a much more preparation than I am right now.
Okay.
Yeah. But we've been pretty successful. I mean, even when we went on, we were listed on OpenSea. We had a good run. We were able to sell um, more than 1,000 NFTs in a period of 45 days. So the response has been great, and
Not
our
bad.
user
Yeah.
base is growing on a daily basis. I'm not sure about the age range, but it's going great.
Yeah, people are not like telling their age probably, but I mean, just if
Yeah,
there were photographers who likes this idea, or yeah.
we're getting good responses. Yeah, especially talking with the people that are like professional in this area. As I said, as we onboard them to be kind of to be the kind of the face of the company, or you know, help us out. More and more details will be rolling out. But as I said, the general response has been pretty good. We were trending on OpenSea, which shows that the response in general, not just a particular group of people, but in general, in terms of a fashion application or an NFT application, was great, and we were trending on OpenSea and the Binance Smart Chain and the photography category constantly during those 45 days of sale. So hopefully more will come soon.
So you have many different kinds of NFTs and different price ranges. So it's not like I mint an NFT and I randomly get a good one or a even better one.
No. You choose them obviously, and as I said, we have 8 categories or 8 classes of NFTs, and
Yeah.
the price ranges from zero point 0.7 to 6.6 BNB. Depending on what you buy, your earnings will be higher. The higher the price, the higher the earning.
Yeah.
These details, and I recommend everyone to go on the website and use our calculator there. We have a calculator that exactly tells you how much you're going to earn if you buy any of these NFTs, and more details can be found there.
Cool. So what are the earnings paid out in your native token or BNB or something else?
The earnings are initially paid out in the STL token, which is our in-app token, but of course we have a internal swap mechanism, which you can swap the tokens to other coins. like BUSD or BNB, and then you can withdraw anytime that you want.
Okay, sounds good. All right.
Actually, I
Else?
want to add about the other ways to make money from Stylike platform. I would like to say, just recently we have added staking feature for our users, like for that our other token called STYL, which is our governance token. So people can actually buy it from our platform, from our website, or from the application, and they can stake their tokens. They can earn I guess up to 40% a staking bonus per month. Yeah.
Okay,
So
nice.
yeah, we have 8 different plans, I believe. We have 8 different plans for the staking, and people can stake their tokens and can earn like staking bonuses. Also, we have referral feature. People can invite their friends, and they can get like 5% referral commission from their invites. So these are like other ways to earn from Stylike. So we offering these to people with any kind of budget. Like people can come here and start their earnings with any budget, and they can also use other features to earn money from Stylike.
That's a feature I really like, that you have like anyone can come and don't have to even buy anything, but start anyway, which is really good for some people who don't have that much money spare to put on projects like this. So that's a great thing, I think. All right, guys. What else can you tell me about Stylike? Is there something that you want to go through?
I think we've covered pretty much everything. I mean, at least the things that I had in mind, and I had some bullet points that I wanted to make sure that I do put out there, especially our announcements. But
Yeah.
this was really great. Thank you for having us both here. And I ask everyone to stay tuned for our upcoming announcements, because those will include the details. And I again invite everyone to install the application, give it a try. It is free.
And you can
And
download it on Apple Store or
yes,
Google Store, what is
we
called?
are available on both Google Play and Apple Store.
Google
So
Play, right.
on both devices, you can download. Give it a try. Have fun. It is free, and if you like it, you can stay around. If not, then hopefully we'll be providing other applications soon that match your taste better.
Great. And I read on your on your Telegram room that there's some big announcement coming today. Was that?
That was actually referring to the AI implementation and our
Ah,
partnership
okay,
that we have
cool.
going.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah, we are going on. But as I said, more details will be out soon.
Very nice. Cool. So are you up for some questions, guys, from the audience?
Yeah, let's take a few. I can. I
How
mean,
much
I
time do you
went
have?
over the. I'm. I think let's wrap it up in like 10 minutes, because I do have another meeting. But I went through some of
Okay.
the questions on the post, and I tried to include them in my responses. But if you think there are questions that are not answered on the website or are not
Let
general
me
questions, yeah, I'm
see.
about to.
Maybe
I can
we
take a
can
few
read
questions.
them, maybe. How does the application works? When I download the app, how do I register? That's a question here. Someone is asking.
It's pretty
What's needed
straightforward,
for
actually. Yeah, yeah.
login?
Just go on Google Play or App Store on iPhone, download the application. It will prompt you with a very simple registration process. You put in your basic information, and you're done. It's very, very straightforward.
Okay, that's cool.
We do have a YouTube video as well, also a tutorial that can guide you through everything. So take a look at that also.
Very nice. And some people are asking about partnerships, coming partnerships, but that's a little bit secret, right? Is that
I mean, yeah, I did mention what I could mention, but the biggest one was the AI partnership that will be announced soon, and we have partnerships with other fashion figures also. Follow us on our Twitter, on our join our Discord and Telegram, and everything will be out there.
Very nice. So I don't know. Should we have some questions from the audience? Let's see. Maybe take one.
Okay, yeah, let's take one.
I'm going to choose one. Lovely, you are up. A lovely question from Lovely.
Let's hear
it. Let's see if they connect. That's sometimes a problem. There we go. Hi, Lovely. Do you have a question?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
My question is this, that what are your strategies of building big and strong community?
Having a big and strong community.
Yeah.
How do you build it? Yeah.
Oh, right. We've been pretty successful, actually. I would say that the most important and foremost thing in building a strong community is having a strong product out there, having a strong application and platform. We've luckily been, successful in that regard. Since our application has been doing well, people are getting more and more curious, and we have been able to grow our community very, very organically. As I said, we started off with just putting the application out there and going live. So we did not actually do a lot of the growth hacking that a lot of the projects do. We've built our community very organically, and we care and we pay attention to how we respond to our users in the community as well. We have 24/7 present moderators that make sure to take questions and guide people through their problems and issues. We have a good ticketing system in place that if you find any problems or issues, you can send us a ticket via the internal system that we have in the application or on the website, and we'll be able to get back to you as soon as possible. So I would say in general, a good customer support and respecting the user base is the biggest key to both creating and keeping a strong user base and growing the community.
Also, I would like to add that about the community thing. Stylike has already started this feature for every user to have their own social profile, so they can like post photos, their best photos on their profile, and all other people, other stylikers can explore their photos, and they can actually, in the near future, we're going to have some new features for them to rate the photos like Instagram, but the difference is that they can actually make money from it, not only like posting random photos and some people come and like it, leave a comment on it, but now they can actually earn money from it and have fun and get inspired by others and do their best, like do the activities and earn at the same time.
Very good. And where can I buy the NFTs if I'm listening now and are interested in buying them?
Of course, sure. So right now you have two options to buy the NFTs. Like we have the NFTs on our website, stylike.io. If you want to, you can head to the marketplace and buy your desired NFT. And also we have some discounted NFTs on OpenSea, so you can check out our collection. Actually, on the menu bar of the website, we have the option OpenSea. You can click on it and it directs you to the OpenSea, and you can easily buy your desired one. You can filter out the type of the NFT and you can choose your.
Great. And a question I usually ask is, where do you see yourself in 3 to 5 years? What's the vision, the long-term vision of this project?
Actually, we are looking forward to be one of the biggest Web3 platforms, as we are already doing really good, and we sold a lot of NFTs, and also we're going to combine the Instagram concept with YouTube, and users can earn money doing like activities, daily activities, and uploading some contents, photos, or maybe some other extra features in the near future. Who knows? We don't know. But right now we are really we don't want to talk about really about our plans, as we already have a lot of exciting plans, and we announced that one of them, like, we're going to collaborate with AI
Yeah,
to
that's
have it
great.
in the app.
Yeah.
So I just gonna say, like, stay tuned, and we're going to announce everything. We
Very
have
nice.
pretty exciting plans for you guys.
Yeah. So everyone go join their socials on Telegram and Discord, and also here on Twitter. And I'm sure they can answer your questions over there in those groups also. Because now you have to go, right? Or do you have time for more questions?
Yeah, I think that concludes it, kind of.
Okay, cool. No worries. And you're welcome back anytime to talk more when
Absolutely.
next big thing
Thank you
comes
for
out,
having us.
and how this works out with the AI. I wish you the best of luck, guys.
Thank you so much for your time.
Have a nice day,
Bye,
everyone.
everyone.
Hope to see you in the next AMA in 1 hour.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much, Elvan. Hope you stick around to the next AMA too. It's coming in 1 hour and 15 minutes, guys. So I will see you back then. And I think we'll pick some random winners for the rewards here. Alpha is doing that, I think. So see you soon, guys. Have a nice one. Bye for now.